Friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Hindustan Zinc Limited share. This share is trading at 230 rupees currently as on 16th August 2020. Its parent company is Vedanta Limited, and Vedanta Limited is currently going through the delisting process. And what are the expectation, what are the things we can expect in Hindustan Zinc Limited in this context? One thing is that the parent company of Vedanta Limited is Vedanta Resource Limited. They are planning to delist the Vedanta Limited, and for that they need some amount for delisting process. That amount they are planning, some amount will be coming through Hindustan Zinc Limited. So you can expect a good dividend from Hindustan Zinc Limited in coming days, which you can expect. But actually how the plan will be going on, that is not guaranteed, but you can expect a good return, good dividend from this company. Currently also, if you see, the dividend yield is 7.15, and considering the delisting process, they need more money for the delisting to be completed. In that case, they will be getting more money from this Hindustan Zinc Limited. That is one thing. And another thing is that related to Hindustan Zinc delisting of Vedanta only, because its parent company Vedanta Resources Limited was delisted by its promoter during from London Exchange. After that, they are coming to delist this Vedanta Limited from Indian stock exchanges. And earlier Sterlite plant was also delisted from Indian exchanges. And once this Vedanta Limited delisting is completed, they may go for delisting Hindustan Zinc Limited also. Currently they are having a issue in Hindustan Zinc Limited due to one court issue is there. It was early, Hindustan Zinc Limited was early Indian government owned company, and they sold a certain percentage of their share to Vedanta Limited. And it was undervalued, the sale was done at low value. There was a case going on against this in a Supreme Court, and they told the government to hold the further selling of the shares. So that's why they are not able to delist this Hindustan Zinc Limited. Otherwise they would have gone for delisting this also. Once the delisting of the Vedanta Resources Vedanta Limited is completed, and if they get uh, court order in their favor for Hindustan Zinc also, then you can expect within 2 years they will be going for delisting Hindustan Zinc also. So you need to keep that in mind before investing in Hindustan Zinc Limited. But fundamentals, if you are seeing, currently the price is going 230 price is which is very high compared to its intrinsic value. And other thing favorable are parameters are favorable, high dividend they are giving, and the good returns they have, the stock has given. And price to book ratio also very good. The book value of Hindustan Zinc Limited is coming around a 95 to 100 range. So it will be better for you if you can accumulate this stock at that level, because if there is any delisting process happen, then the delisting will be, you will be certain that the delisting will be at near to its book value, like what they are planning for Vedanta Limited also. Uh, Apart from this, the stock is good, and 66% of analysts are recommending. And the Hindustan Zinc Limited is a mineral company, and they are into mining of zinc, lead, and silver. Currently the price is, there is a spike in the price, you can see after the market crash happened in March 2020. The price gone up because the silver price is going up. So it is expected that the Hindustan Zinc Limited will be benefited by this hike in the silver price. And the dividend also, since it is a good dividend yield company, and it is expected that the in coming days this company will be giving good dividend for its promoter to delist Vedanta. considering all those fact, the price is going up. For you, if you are planning for investment in this company, I would recommend you try to accumulate this stock below 150 or 180, and if the price is going below 100, certainly you can buy this stock, but you cannot expect when that price will be coming, or it may be not coming to that price. So if you are planning for investing in this company, I would recommend you start accumulating one from 180 on, below 180, then 150, then 120, like that, because in coming days you can expect a market correction. If the economies are going up and the fundamentals are weak, then you can expect again one more correction. At that time you can accumulate this stock at this current price. If you accumulate, there is a risk of losing your money if the company is going for delisting, or the market fundamentals are not supporting, because the intrinsic value is low. So current price is not good for new fresh investments. Apart from that, if you are planning for more safety, then I would recommend you go for GAIL, which is trading below its intrinsic value. I have given analysis for GAIL in another video. You can go and watch that, and you can get more analysis on different mutual funds also in our channel. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.